Hello, UBW Universe. You know, a lot of people here are upset about this being the last filming, but I disagree. I'm happy. This industry is nothing but a garbage bag full of garbage. That's all it is. A piece of shit. Shitty crew members, shitty talent, everything. It's nothing but a bunch of crap. So you know what? I'm happy it's over. I'm happy that Money will never get to wrestle a day in his life again, especially after tonight. I'm gonna ruin him. Anybody else who challenges me, I'm gonna ruin their career so bad they won't even be remembered. So you know what? I've got something for UBW. Fuck you all. I'm happy it's over. You know what? Tonight's gonna be a great night, full of pain, misery, and sadness. All those things. I'm gonna send people to hell. I'm gonna send people back to the States and countries where they belong. So you know what, UBW? Goodbye, forever, sayonara. I'm moving on to bigger and better things.